Revealing Characters Through Setting, an English Storytelling Guide. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on storytelling and jokes in the English language. In this video, we will discuss an important element of storytelling, namely setting, and explore how it can play a crucial role in character development. Specifically, we're going to learn about using setting to reveal character traits. So, let's dive right in. Setting, in storytelling, refers to the time and place where the events of a story occur. It can be a real location like London or a fantasy world like Middle-earth. But a setting isn't just a background for your characters, it plays a significant role in shaping them. The environment, culture, time period, and geographical location can all influence a character's behavior, beliefs, and choices, thereby revealing their traits. Let's look at how we can use setting to unveil a character's traits. One way is to observe how the character interacts with their environment. For instance, a character living in a bustling city might be portrayed as someone who's always on the go, embodying the city's fast-paced lifestyle. This can reveal the character as energetic, ambitious, or perhaps stressed. On the other hand, a character living in a tranquil countryside might lead a laid-back life, revealing them as calm, content, or introspective. Similarly, a character's interaction with the historical or cultural context of a setting can show their beliefs, values, and attitudes. Let's take a few examples. In the Harry Potter series, Harry's character is shaped by his time at Hogwarts. The magical school's setting, with its hidden secrets and magical classes, reveals Harry as brave, curious, and loyal. In contrast, consider a character living in a dystopian future, like Katniss in the Hunger Games. The harsh, survival of the fittest environment reveals her character traits of resilience, resourcefulness, and defiance. When crafting your own stories, think about how the setting can reflect or contrast your character's traits. A quiet librarian might seem out of place in a noisy, chaotic city, revealing her as someone seeking peace or craving order. Or a futuristic setting might force a traditionally minded character to adapt, showing their flexibility or resistance to change. That wraps up our discussion on how to use setting to reveal character traits. Remember, the environment in which your characters exist is not just a backdrop. It can serve as a mirror to reflect their true selves. By understanding this relationship between setting and character, you can create more engaging and layered stories. Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video on storytelling. Happy learning!